CCTV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kajongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Long ai kat tu. Jingka date 5/6/2026. Jingka 4 a.m. Don't in.
Nongialam Shnong bat arngut kinong Shnong jong ka Shnong loi bol kullen ka Shnong jong ki kuki kabadan hakang pokpi district jong ka jilla Manipur kila Shah Pyniap haka step perngap jong ka santri ujliu arhajar apun riu shwaban kenjat Shah ka beneng lai thu bakani kala ja haka porsaw baji am stem ki khubor klai thu ru ba ki Lehnoh kilawan man thombor ya ka Shnong basong basa ki kuki haka por ba ki nong Shnong kidang yo thia lengai ki langut ki balayap ki dikiblatip kerteng kumulet khangam haukip ubabat kum Nongialam Shnong katin Mary haukip kabadi kalok jong bat ujang milal haukip ki nong Shnong kila keno ba ki brio ki bale ya kini kam ki dei ki khot jong ka NSCNIM bat ka ZUF kamson ki pulik kila Hiar Shah kini jaka badlumi ki sabut bat banyak keren ru bat ki wei pat ki bralaj im ki ba yo i ya kini ka jingja
Long ai kat tu. Nale.
Boda. Sai khai rồi. Khai tao xin bị cái nó đâu.
Jingka date 5/6/2026. Jingka 4 a.m. Don't in. Loibol Khulin, Kampupi district. Tupul Komcha Umchu NSCNIM Chule ZUFK Hidiagin Mohon Mahung Etekovin Husungam Samsao Ho Ahin Humi Te Ho Tu Chanin Kejorti Ki Japun Pathin Thangba Omin Ahin Pungdia Ki Panchutu Hen Pungama Khailang Thatan Ahin La Firing He Thip Nai Pun In Jong Hi Galapa na ka ve hi ji hin in li aka awang hi kamuin aku mun hi etek dingayong ha apang dingayong ha namun ta ahi ji aw hi advantage ane ja mohin ipi yong le pathina akisukha ki tong ha amna loading ahin
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.